Hello, future scientists! In Unit 5 Forces, you have explored, talked about, and described the movement of familiar things and even recognized that both pushes and pulls are forces. Remember these keywords: pull, meaning a force that moves something towards you, and push is a force that moves something away from you. And move means you go from one place to another. And these are some useful links for you to understand more about force and motion. Now, what is force? It is an object moves when a force is applied to it. A force can be push or pull. As you can see on these pictures, this girl is pushing a cart and this boy is pulling a toy cart, and these kids are pulling the rope. In this picture, these two boys are using a push and a pull. This boy, he is pushing the box, and this boy, he is pulling the rope or the string. Remember, push is a force that moves something away from you. So this boy is moving away this box from him. So he's pushing. And this boy, he is moving something towards him, and that is the string. He is pulling the string. Objects will only move if there is a force. Forces can make objects change direction or go a different way. A push and a pull can make objects change direction. Things can move in different directions, like going up, going down, forwards, and backwards. Or you can change directions such as push to the left, push forward, push backward, or go a different way. Now, what have you learned about forces? So here is the bird pushing or pulling the worm. What do you think? Just look at the picture. So the bird is pulling the worm. Number 2, how are the things in these pictures moving? You will see different things here. A rabbit, bird, snake, and a boy. And then you will match the pictures to the correct word showing their movement: slithering, jumping, sliding, and flying. A rabbit is jumping, a bird is flying, a snake is slithering, a boy is sliding. So let's answer this question. How do they move? So match the correct word to each picture below: fly, bounce, crawl, and swim. The baby can crawl, the fish can swim, the bird can fly, the ball can bounce. In this question, look at each picture. What kind of force is being used? A push or a pull? Again, a push is when you move an object away from you, and a pull is when you move an object towards you. Now, on picture letter A boy is standing in front of a door. Now, what do you think is the force being used here? A push. Okay? The boy is using a push. He will push the door. He is pushing the door to close it. Now, for letter B, this boy is sitting on the floor. Now, look at his hand. His hand is holding a string of this caterpillar toy. So, he is using a pull. He will pull the string for the caterpillar to move, for the caterpillar toy to move. Now, in letter C, the girl is pushing the wheelchair. How did you know that? Look at her hands. Her hands are holding the handrail of the wheelchair, and his direction is moving forward, moves away from her. So she is using a push. We also learned about a push and a pull can make objects change direction. Now look at the pictures. Which picture shows that the learner is changing direction, speeding up and slowing down? Letter A picture, this boy is speeding up because the movement of the wheels are moving faster. Now letter B picture, the boy is slowing down because there is no movement at all. He is standing still. Now picture letter C, he is changing direction. How do we know that? Because his wheel is turning on his right side. You can change your direction either going up or down, left or right. And in this case, he is turning on the right side. Now, what can you remember? You have been learning about forces. Can you talk about how things move? Or can you show what a push and a pull is? Can you also sort objects by how they move? Can you make something speed up, slow down, and change direction? And can you say why things speed up, slow down, and change direction? Future scientists, challenge yourself. What can you remember in this unit? Can you think about your favorite activity in this unit and say why do you like it and what have you learned? Please share this in the class. Thank you.